ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्य कृतौ वंदे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय आणव शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 237। टीका। आत्मैव ज्ञातव्यो न अनात्मा इति प्रतिज्ञायाम् अत्र हि इत्यादिना हेतुरुक्तः सम्प्रति तदेतत् पदनीयम् इत्यादि वाक्य अपोद्यम चोद्यम उत्थापयति। आत्मा एव ज्ञातव्यो न अनात्मा इति प्रतिज्ञायाम्। So this pratignya was done in the beginning. Atma eva jnatavyah na anatma. Atra hi, in this, atra hi ityadina hetu ruktaha. So, atra hi ete sarva ekam bhavanti. This is the atra hi part. This is there in the mantra. Samprati tadetat padaniyam ityadi vakya apodyam chodyam utthapayati. Samprati means idanim. Tat etat padaniyam. This is there in the mantra. Tat etat padaniyam. After atra hi ete sarva ekam bhavanti. So atma iti eva upasita. This portion is complete. Now we are into the next portion. Okay. Tadetat padaniyam ityadi vakya apodyam chodyam utthapayati. Ityadi vakyena apodyam chodyam. By this vakya, whatever shanka is removed. Chodyam means question, objection, which is eliminated. Apodyam tad utthapayati. So there is some doubt. That doubt is eliminated by the vakya tadetat padaniyam. By this. In bhashya. Anirjnatatva samanyat atma jnatavyo anatma cha. Anirjnatatva samanya. Anirjnatatva is samanam. In atma also, anatma also. So atma jnatavyo, jnatavyaha, anatma cha jnatavyaha. Because both of them are not known. Atma is also not known, anatma is also not known. Yes. Tatra कस्माद् आत्मोपासन एव यत्न आस्थीयत आत्मेत्योपासित इति न इतर विज्ञान इति। तत्र कस्माद् आत्मोपासने एव यत्न आस्थीयते आत्मा इति एव उपासित इति न इतर विज्ञाने इति. So in all of them, Saptami you have to understand. Saptami is there, only Lopa is there. Then why, if Atma is also not known, Anatma is not known, then effort should be put for knowing Atma, but not Anatma. Why do you say this? Why not we put forth effort to know Anatma also? Tika Uttaramaha अत्र उच्यते तदेतदेव प्रकृतं पदनीयं गमनीयं नान्यत् अस्य सर्वस्य इति निर्धारणार्था षष्ठी तदेतदेव प्रकृतं पदनीयं गमनीयं. This is what is padaniyam, means gamaniyam. Na anyat. Atma alone should be sought. Atma alone should be known, not anatma. Nanyat asya sarvasya iti nirdharana shashti. Nirdharana shashti, so the sutra is yatasya nirdharanam. Sutra number is 2341. Yatasya nirdharanam 2341. Nirdharana arthe shashti is also there, saptami is also there. So here it is used in shashti. Tika. Before that, 4 number tippani. Gamaniyam. Yasmat anatmanam ज्ञातत्व अज्ञातत्वयोर अभावात् अज्ञानस्य चिदेकाश्रितत्वात् तेभ्यः सकाशात् इदम एव आत्मतत्वं परम पदम अज्ञातम ज्ञातव्यम तज्ज्ञाने सर्वेषां ज्ञेयानां पुरुषार्थानां च समाप्तिः तस्मात् निरतिशय सुखात्मक इतर वस्तुअभावेन यथोक्त कर्म त्यक्त्वा तदेव आदर्तव्यम इत्यर्थः. यस्माद् अनात्मनां ज्ञातव्य अज्ञातत्वयोः अभावात्. Anatma vastu really doesn't exist. Therefore, its jnatavya ajnatatva is not important. Therefore, abhavat. Because all ajnanam and ajnana karyam is chideka ashrita. It is ashrita in Chaitanya. Tebhyaha sakashat idam eva atmatattvam param. Param padam ajnatam jnatavyam. This atmatattvam, which is param padam, is ajnatam, should be known. Why? Because Atma Tattva has Satta. Anatma Tattva doesn't have Satta. Tad jnane sarveshang jnanam purusharthanam cha samapti. Tad jnane, by that knowledge, Atma jnane sarveshang jnanam purusharthanam cha samapti. All my jnaya vastu will also end. All purusharthas will also end. तस्मान निरतिशय सुखात्मक इतर वस्तु अभावेन यथोक्त कर्म त्यक्त्वा तदेव आर्तव्य. Therefore, Atma, whose nature is niratiशय सुख स्वरूप, niratiशय सुखात्मक इतर वस्तु अभावेन, where इतर वस्तु is not there, इतर वस्तुनो अभावो यस्मिन्, that in which other vastu is not there, इतर वस्तु अभावेन यथोक्त कर्म त्यक्त्वा तदेव आदर्तव्यम. All other karma and everything leaving aside, you should know Atma alone. You know how many ever times we say these things. You should leave everything else and just work for Atma. Generally, those who are doing whatever they are doing, they will keep doing that only. They are interested in knowing here, there, what is happening there, what is here is my this, my that. That is all they will keep doing, no matter how many times. So, only the person who has enough chitta shuddhi, that person will have tivra mumukshutva. when Tivra Mumukshutvam comes, all other jignasa, all other activities, everything will fall apart. You will not have interest. Otherwise, everything is there, Atma is there, Anatma is there, I will put forth effort for both. अतएव आयासलभ्ये अपि आत्मज्ञाने यत्नातिरेकः श्रुतेः. Therefore, in Atmajnana, one should do yatnatireka. One should put forth lot of effort. Even though it is expecting, it is demanding lot of effort. Ayasa labhya it is. Still, I should do it. Nirdharanam eva sphorayati asmin. Asmin sarvasmin ityartha. Sarvasya and then sarvasmin, both. Shashti also, Saptami also. Asmin is there. For nirdharana. Asmin sarvasmin. See tika, I mean tippani. 5 number tippani. Sarvasmin jagati pratyang matram eva ज्ञेयम नान्यत इति अर्थ निर्धारणादि युक्ता तदर्था षष्ठी अर्थः. संबंध सामान्ये षष्ठी इति मते अस्य प्रत्यक्षादि सन्निधापितस्य सर्वस्य जगतः संबंध्यात्मतत्वं पदनीयम् इति अर्थो द्रष्टव्यः. सर्वस्मिन् जगति प्रत्यंग मात्रम एव ज्ञेयम्. In other words, no matter who you are, where you are in this world, only one thing is worth knowing: Brahma. Put forth effort for that. As much as possible, stop other activities. Stopping all other activities and karma is called sannyasa. One can do that, it is great. टीका नान्यत इति उक्तत्वात् अनात्मनो विज्ञातव्यत्व अभावश्चेत् अनेन हि इत्यादि शेष विरोधः स्यात् इति शंकते. नान्यत इति उक्तत्वात्, न अन्यत. आत्मा शुड बी ज्ञेय, आत्मा एव ज्ञातव्यः, न अन्यत. न अन्यत मीन्स नॉट अनात्मा. अनात्मनो विज्ञातव्यत्व अभावश्चेत्. If you have said anatma is not to be known, what is the use? Abhavaschet. Anena hi ityadi shesha virodha syat iti shankate. Then anena hi etat sarvam veda. See, the mantra says you should know Atma. By knowing Atma, you will know Anatma. What does mantra say? You should know Atma. By knowing that, you will know everything else. Everything else means other than Atma. What is other than Atma? Anatma. So you will know Anatma. But earlier when it is said, you should know Atma, there at that time we asked the question, there are two things, Atma also, Anatma also. Both are not known. Then at that time you said, no, you should know only Atma, leave Anatma. Now you are saying when you know Atma, you will know Anatma. So should I know Anatma or not? It's a virodha. Shesha virodha syat iti shankate. यदयम आत्मा यद एतद आत्मतत्वम. यदयम आत्मा मीन्स यद एतद आत्मतत्वम. किन न विज्ञातव्यम एव अन्यत्. Up to here is the question. So after yad etad atma tattvam, you put comma. Put comma. After yad etad atma tattvam, put comma. Then the question is, kinna vijnatavyam eva anyat? Is it that anything else should not be known? This is the question. Kinna vijnatavyam eva anyat? The answer is no. Na. Chitika. Tasya agnyatvam nishedhati. Tasya anyasya. It will not remain unknown. Then tasyapi ज्ञातव्यत्वे नान्यद् इति वचनम् अनवकाशम् इति आह. If that also should be known, then na anyat you said. In na vijnatam eva anyat. Na vijnatavyam anyat. So then na vijnatavyam anyat, this will become anavakasham, because you are saying atma should be known. Anyad also should be known. It will become known, like that you are saying. किं तर्हि ज्ञातव्यत्वे अपि न पृथक् ज्ञानान्तरम् अपेक्षत आत्मज्ञानात्. Even though anatma is not directly jnatavya, anatma will become known when you know atma. Therefore, separately anatma need not be known. ज्ञातव्यत्वे अपि न पृथक् ज्ञानान्तरम् अपेक्षते. आत्मज्ञानात् पृथक् ज्ञानान्तरं न अपेक्षते. Then the atmajnanam, anything else as anatmajnanam is not expected. How will I know anatmajnanam? I will have anatmajnanam, atmajnanat. When you have atmajnanam, then eka vijnanena sarva vijnanam bhavati. By one knowledge, you will know everything. Tika. And therefore that vakyam is savakasham. Tasya savakashatvam darshayati. Anyasya vijñātatvam is savakasham. Means that other thing will become known. So jnātavyatva is there, but not with an extra effort. Tika further. Atmanah sakashat anatmano arthantaratvat tasya atmajnanat jnātavyatva ayogat. ज्ञातव्यत्वे ज्ञानान्तरम् अपेक्षितव्यम् एव इति शंकते. आत्मनः सकाशात् अनात्मनो अर्थांतरत्वात्. In the proximity of atma, anatma, which is arthantara, anyadartha, arthantaratvat, tasya atmajnanat jnatavyatva ayogat. Purvapakshi is saying atma is different, anatma is different. If you know atma, how anatma will become known? Anatma, you have to put forth separate effort. ज्ञातव्यत्वे ज्ञानांतरम अपेक्षितव्यम. Then you know atma, then for another vastu, another effort needs to be put. Jnanantaram is required. Apekshitavyam eva iti shankate. Tasmat, Purvapakshi says, how by knowing atma, anatma will become known? Why I don't have to put forth separate effort for knowing anatma? By knowing ghata, do I know pata? No. By knowing Brahadaranyaka, do I know Vyakarana? Lagu Siddhanta Kaumudi? No, So why knowing one, other thing doesn't become known. I have to put forth effort. Yes. Vyapti is there. There are enough people. Uttar vakya na uttaram aha. Uttar vakya na uttaram aha. What does that mean, online students?
Answer is given to the later Vakya.
Answer is given by the later statement.
Uh,
So the next statement is the uttara and uttara. There are two uttaras. One uttara is answer. Another uttara means immediate next. भाष्य अनेन आत्मना ज्ञातेन हि यस्माद् एतत् सर्वम् अनात्मजातम् अन्यत् यत् तत् सर्वम् ज्ञातत्व सिद्धेर नास्ति न समस्तं वेद जानाति इन भाष्य अनेन आत्मना ज्ञातेन हि यस्माद् एतत् सर्वम् अनात्मजातम् अन्यत् तत् सर्वम् समस्तं वेद जानाति थ्रू आत्मज्ञान all anatma becomes known. Atmajnanena sarvam vijanati. This is what Bhagavan said in Bhagavad Gita also in 7th chapter. What did he say? Online. What is that shloka? Yes, that you have to know. Yad jnatva neha bhuyonyat jnatavyam avashishyate. Somebody will say, Swamiji, memory is so less. If we remember one thing, we'll forget the other. If we have remembered. If we have not remembered, we don't have to worry. Otherwise, you remember Gita shloka, then sutras are forgotten. Sutras you remember, then Gita shlokas are forgotten. Upanishad mantras are forgotten. And then Nyaya Panktis we have to memorize. So, by knowing Atma, yat jnatva, atmanam jnatva, iha bhuyah anya jnatavyam na avashishyate. Nothing else will remain which is to be known. Means you will know everything. All your jignasa purti will happen. And Upanishad says, Eka Vijnanena Sarva Vijnanam Bhavati. Chandogya, 6th chapter, as well as Mundaka, other places also. So, Samastam Veda Janati. Tika. Atmani Anatma Jatasya Kalpitatvat. Tasya Tad Atirikta Swarupa Bhavat. Tad Jnane Naiva ज्ञातत्व सिद्धेर नास्ति ज्ञानांतरापेक्षा इत्यर्थः आत्मनि अनात्मजातस्य कल्पितत्वात् in atma anatma is kalpita anatma jata means anatma samuha entire anatma is kalpita in atma and therefore it does not have its swarupa different from atma tasya tad atirikta swarupa abhavat tasya tad atirikta what is first tat and what is second tat हाँ आप बोलो
tasya is anatma jatasya, and tat atirikta swarupa, tat is atma. Atma.
Hmm. So first tasya is anatma jatasya or anatmanah, not anatmasya. नकारांत शब्द है. अनात्म जातस्य आत्म अतिरिक्त स्वरूप अभावात्. Therefore तज्ञानेन means आत्मज्ञानेन ज्ञातत्व आत्मज्ञानेन एव ज्ञातत्व सिद्धेः नास्ति ज्ञानांतर अपेक्षा. Everything becomes known and therefore nothing else needs to be known. लोकदृष्टिम आश्रित्य अनेन इत्यादि वाक्यार्थम आक्षिपति. Now in lokadrishti it is not seen like that. Somebody will say, like I gave the example, you know Vyakarana, then you don't necessarily know Vedanta. You have to study separately. Like physics, you know, you don't know chemistry, you don't know mathematics, medicine, engineering. In fact, those who know one, it is difficult for them to know something else. And some people, they don't get anything. That is Vishesha. So, Lokadrishtim Ashritya Anena Ityadi Vakyartham Akshipati Nanu Anya Jnanena Anyanya Jnayate. How with one knowledge another thing will become known? Atmakaryatvat Anatmanaha Tasmin Antarbhavat Tad Jnanena Jnanam Uchitam Iti Pariharati. Atmakaryatvat Anatmanaha. Anatma is nothing but Atmakaryam. Therefore, Tasmin Antarbhavat. Anatma is having Antarbhava in Atma. So Atma Jnanena Anatma Jnanam is that. Asya Pariharam Dundubhyadi Granthena Akshamaha. This Parihara of this objection will be given. Bhashyakar says, I will give it in Dundubhyadi Grantha. Dundubi Grantha is given 247. In other words, when Bhashyakara is writing Bhashya on 147, he knows in 247 I will elaborate this point. When he is writing commentary, he knows. When we read also, we don't know what is elaborated where. He has not written and still he remembers. Further in Tika, सत्य उपाय अभावात् आत्मतत्वस्य पदनीयत्व असिद्धिरिति शंकते. कथम पुनरेतत् पदनीयम इति. सत्य उपाय अभावात्. So actually the Purvapaksha is like this. He is telling Siddhanti, you Advaitin, your Siddhanta is Brahma Satyam, Jagan Mithya. So everything other than Brahma is Mithya. Other than Atma, everything is Mithya. So there is nothing Satya. Satya Upaya Abhavat. If there is no Upaya which is Satya, how Atma Tattva will be known through Mithya thing? This is his question. Katham punar etat padaniyam iti. Tika. Asati api, asatyasyapi shrutya आचार्यादेहे श्रुत्याचार्यादेहे अर्थक्रियाकारित्व संभवात् आत्मतत्वस्य पदनीयत्व उपपत्तिरित्याह. असत्यस्यापि श्रुत्याचार्यादेहे अर्थक्रियाकारित्व संभवात्. Even though Shruti, Acharya, they are asatya, but they have arthakriyakaritvam. Arthakriyakaritvam means they have the ability to डू कार्यजनकत्वम, सी 6 नंबर टिप्पणी, कार्यजनकत्व संभवात. Arthakriya means they can do anything. Some work can be accomplished. For example, Ghata is mithya, Mrittika is satyam. So can you put water in Ghata or not? It is mithya, but you can put. If you can remove water, and can you put milk? Yes. So Arthakriya Karitvam is there. Arthakriya Karitvam means 4 types are there in Arthakriya Karitvam. One is Shabda Vyavahara. Another is Jnana Vyavahara. Third is Kriya Vyavahara. And there is one more. This comes in Panchapadika. In Panchapadika, they are explained Abhignya, Abhivadana, Arthakriya Karitvam, and one more is there. Abhignya means, one is Vag Vyavahara. Abhivadan means Vag Vyavahara. Abhignya means Jnana Vyavahara. So first one I said, Jnana Vyavahara, right? Shabda Vyavahara. So that is Abhivadan. Abhignya, Abhivadan, Arthakriya Karitvam, and there is one more. 4 things are given. So all of them are called Vyavahar only. For example, Ghato Asti. So this Vag Vyavahar is there for Ghata. This is Abhivada. And Ghata Jnanam is there. Even if I don't say, there is Ghata I see. So Jnanam is there. So Abhignya is there, Abhivadan is there. Arthakriya Karitvam, it is capable of doing something. And Chaturtha is Vyavahara. So they have kept 2 separate. Arthakriya Karitvam and Vyavahara is separate. Vyavahara means I can lift the pot from there, take it somewhere. So I am doing some interaction with it. And if I don't do any Vyavahara like this, Kriya Vyavahara, it still has Arthakriya Karitvam in the form of, I can just, a pot can be there, I can leave some water in there, milk in there, etc. So like that, different Vyavahara is possible. So with Mithya Vastu also, these are possible. Like Rajju Sarpa also. Sambhavat Atma Tattvasya Padaniyato Upapattihi. Therefore, Atma Tattva can become known. Uchyate. Bhashya. Yatha havai loke padena gavadi khurankito deshaha padam iti uchyate. Tena padena nashtam vivitsitam pashum padena anveshamano anuvindet labheta. In the world, loke padena gavadi khurankitaha, by footsteps, cows, they have created footsteps in the ground. By that, Purankitah Deshaha Padam iti uchyate. That is a footstep called Padam. By that, Nashtam Pashum, that animal which is lost in the forest, etc. Vivitsitam, Veditum Ishtam, Praptum Ishtam. Vivitsa means Praptum Ichha. So I have desired that I get my animal back. Pashum padena anveshamano anuvindet labheta. By that footsteps I seek and I will find that animal back. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.